I further request the head of our school, Miss Veena Desai, a sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar, and a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to address us on this occasion. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
A very good evening, one and all present here. I warmly welcome you all to the 9th Annual Day celebration of Universal High School. It's my honor and privilege to welcome our chief guest, who is an acclaimed personality, Mr. Manish Wadhwa, on this delightfully crisp evening. I also extend a warm welcome to our head coordinator of pre-primary section, Ms. Ravinder Pereira. Today we have a reason to rejoice, as the theme for today's evening is Incredible India. Well, today's children are our future. What our children are going to be in future is what we make of them today. Through the theme, we have tried to inculcate the oneness amongst men, and we have tried to let our children feel attached to the land one stands on. Dear parents, in the present scenario of teaching learning, when everything is child-centered and the entire focus is on developing multifaceted and versatile students, the need of the hour is to develop creativity, originality, inventiveness, imagination, and ingenuity among learners of all age group for social, mental, emotional, physical, psychological, and intellectual development of learners. Here, I would like to quote Swami Vivekananda. We want that education for our children by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's feet. The biggest challenge faced by the educators of today is to prepare students for the challenges of a globalized world. Students of today face a world that continually demands new knowledge and abilities, a world that requires the students to become adaptable, lifelong learners in an ever-changing scenario of new skills and competencies. They also need to be good communicators, be able to relate with all, and to think critically and creatively. Universal High is committed towards imparting those skills and developing among the students a global outlook and perspective while maintaining respect for their motherland. This is what our theme for today speaks all about. The heart of education is, after all, the education of the heart. We want our pupils to develop valuable life skills and become more independent, resilient, and confident individuals who are able to come out of their comfort zones and deal confidently with any uncertainties or challenges that may confront them in the future. It will be the constant endeavor of the school to move forward in the true spirit of ability-driven education towards providing holistic and quality education by infusing each and every student with the zeal to be passionate about learning, as well as to be engaged and inspired. We want every student to be nurtured into strong, reflective, and responsive individuals who are confident and adaptable in meeting the challenges and opportunities of this rapidly changing world. Our vision is to ensure that in the presence of learning, the childhood is not lost. Our aim is not to educate or teach, but to be there and support when the child is ready to learn. Going hand in hand with parents, we share the experiences of bringing about the best in a child by accepting him for what he is, motivating him for what he feels to be, and supporting him for what he wants to be. We have a progressive board, a highly motivated group of teachers, and a campus that provides the students every opportunity to develop their inherent talents. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our chairman, Mr. Jesus Lal, and our director, Ms. Pinky Pujara, for their trust and unstinted support. My special thanks go to our vice principal, Mr. Dilip Kamble, for his wholehearted and relentless support for our school. And also to Ms. Tarannum Derby, our school coordinator, for a sincere and valuable contribution to the school. I must make a special mention of our teachers, who decidedly are the ones weathering every storm and bracing themselves to meet every challenge cheerfully, finally creating an impact on the children who come in our direction. Our teachers are like a celestial band that sings in perfect harmony, and so their services need the highest approbation. I wish to thank everyone who is associated with the school in one way or the other. It's our teamwork that enables us to accomplish many things here. I would like to thank you all, my dear parents, for your support and patience, and wish you and our children wonderful years ahead. So without further ado, let us begin and unfold the various events awaiting us this evening. I hope you all have a great time while our dear students spread their magic on the stage. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Your thought-provoking words have always inspired us.
I now request Sapna Miss to come over and introduce our chief guests.
A very good evening to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Mr. Dilip Kamble, and Head Coordinator of Pre-Primary Ms. Ravinder Pereira. A very good evening to all the lovely looking audience over here. You all have lighted up our evening. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our honorable chief guest for the evening. Many recognize him as Chanakya, many others as Balaji Vishwanath, while many will call him Shivanand. He is the one face of many characters that he has portrayed flawlessly throughout the years on the television. We have amongst us the very talented Mr. Manish Vadva. Mr. Vadva began his career, a louder one, Mr. Vadva began his career performing at a theatre in Mumbai for a comedy show named Khatta Meetha. He got his first television break in Shaktiman, and then there was no looking back for him. He has worked in many popular TV shows like Devo Ki Dev Mahadev, Mahakumbh Ek Rahasya Ek Kahani, Amrapali, Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Du, Siya Ke